بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear brothers and sisters, in my previous lecture we learnt 54 rules of different use of articles, and today let's start 55th rule of article. Definite article the, it is used after word both, after word all, before word same, after word some of the, most of the, before word whole, the whole. For example, both the boys, both the brothers are intelligent. So word both follows definite article the. All of the plants have dried and died. All of the. Word all follows definite article the. Most of the people who live around here are students. Some of the parents usually come to the school to collect their children in the evening. Some of the. Your pain is not the same as mine. Before word same we have placed definite article the. After word both we have placed definite article the. After word all the students clapped when the teacher entered the class. All the students. The whole family visited Europe. Before word whole we place definite article the, and we place definite article the after word all. Okay. Now rule number 56. When two or more adjectives qualifying same noun and they are connected with the word and, the article is used before the first adjective. When two or more adjectives qualifying the same noun, they are used for same noun, we have to use definite article before the first one. But when two or more adjectives are qualifying different nouns to different nouns, expressed and understood, definite article the is used before each of adjective. For example, the third and the fourth chapter of physics means physics जो ट्रियों ऐं चौथों, when we have used the with each adjective, third, fourth, these are two adjectives, numerical adjectives, ordinal numbers, we have placed definite article before word third and before word fourth. With each of adjective we have placed definite article the, because they are qualifying two nouns, not one and the same noun. But in the second sentence, the third and fourth chapter, ट्रियों ऐं चौथों, माना it means we have used definite article with the first adjective, so it indicates this one and same chapter. Okay, the English and the German language, the English and the German language, we have used definite article with each English and German language. Here word English and German, they are two adjectives, they qualify noun language, and we have used definite article with each adjective because they qualify to different nouns. But in this sentence they qualify one and same noun, and we have used definite article with the first adjective. Definite article the is not placed before the names of festivals and public holidays. Before the names of festivals and public holidays. Christmas, Easter, New Year, Yom Ashura. Festivals, no article, no article, no article. But when these names are used as adjectives of noun like holiday and season, we use definite article with them. The Christmas season, after word Christmas there is word season. Eid holidays, with word holidays there is Eid, after Eid there is word holidays, so we use definite article with when the Christmas and Eid follow word season or holiday. We go away at dash dash church. Dash dash Easter is early this year. No article. With the word Christmas and with word Easter, these are two festivals of Christians, we haven't used article the. But we had a wonderful Christmas. When word Christmas is preceded by adjective wonderful, we have used a wonderful Christmas. Number 58, articles are used with phrases of time, sometimes with and sometimes without. Let's differentiate. We are meeting on dash dash Friday for dash dash lunch. Friday, name of a day, no article. No article is placed before days of a week. No article is placed before months of year. No article is placed with years, with months, with days. Lunch, it is a meal, no article. But please look at this sentence. It was the Friday before she went to Karachi. It was the Friday. The Friday. In this case, it was the Friday. After word Friday, there comes clause. There comes clause before she went to Karachi. When day follows clause, then it will be the Friday. Instead of only Friday, it will be the Friday. I had a good lunch. We have used good before word lunch. So, good is an adjective and we have placed a. I was born in dash dash 1999 आ 1999 में जाओ कुछ year, no article. That was the year I was born. That was the year I born. Before word year we have used definite article the. It was the winter of 1999 when I was born. Winter of 1999 we have used the, but with 1999, 2020, 2019, 2015, no article. Definite 59, definite article the is used where and where not with the parts of the day and night. I can't sleep at night, word night no article. I got up in the night, I got up during the night, in the night, during the night. Definite article the has been kept before word night, but at night no article. I couldn't see the dark, the dark. I couldn't see the dark. I couldn't see in the dark means in the darkness. ऊंदाईअ में कोन थे ॾिसी सघियुसि या कोन ॾिसी सघां. I hope to go there before dark. यानी before it falls dark, I hope to go there. ऊंदाई थियण खां अॻु आउं चाहियां थो उते वञणु. In the morning, in the evening, we use the. In the evening, in the morning. I travel by day, I prefer to travel by day, I prefer to travel by night, no article. With by day, by night, no article. But in the morning, in the evening, yes, definite article. So definite article in terms of days, years, months, seasons, and with the parts of day and night we have learnt. Now number 60, definite or any article, definite or indefinite, are used with some phrases. There is word bed. In bed, go to bed means to sleep, to rest, to take rest. Sit on the bed, make the bed माना बिस्तरो विछाइण. Sit on the bed माना बिस्तरे ते वेहण. But in bed or go to bed or resume bed means to take rest or to sleep. In bed, in this phrase we haven't used definite article. Go to bed, not go to the bed, but sit on the bed, make the bed. We have used definite article. At home, go home, come home, leave home. Bare article, without article, no article. But in the house, to the house, in the home, we have used definite article. At sea, but on the sea, by the sea, to the seaside, at the seaside. At sea means sailing as a sailor. In a town, word we use word in a town, leave town, but the city, the village, the town center. Please look at these two words. A teacup, a cup of tea. Distinguish and differentiate. A teacup, a cup of tea. A teacup means A teacup is a cup which is holding tea. It is a container which contains tea. A cup of tea. A cup of tea is a cup which is full of tea. A cup full of tea, a cup holding tea, container. This is the difference. Definite article thus used with radio and not with TV. I listen to the radio. I often watch TV, not the TV, only TV. I often watch TV. I usually listen to the radio. So dear viewers, we have so far learned 60 rules of different use of articles. So it's enough for today. You may have a look what is written on the board. Study, peruse minutely. If you find any difficulty, in case of any difficulty, you may contact me. Inshallah, I will conduct test of articles and I will appear before you to start a new topic tomorrow. Thank you very much.